Spider, 486 Spider. We get out there, we're going to be miles away from anything, which I can't be more. It's an incredibly special occasion. Just look at it. It's the first time I've seen it just now joining us on the road. It's just got so much presence and it looks like nothing I have ever seen. Look at the sculpture on this thing. These layers of carbon. Son. To do something, they do it right. This is you could possibly design. Woo! 3 lanes wide. They should run competitions up here. This is a downforce road. This road. hold on. Oh my God. Oh wow. Ollie, where is he? Come and talk to me about that drive. Come and talk to me.
I feel like
we're still coming down off that.
I feel like we should be arrested.
We should be arrested for that. Honestly, I've had some drives. It's hard to exaggerate enough how that was probably the drive of my life. The drifts this guy was getting. I'm still coming down off that. I feel like I've been on a genuine like thrill ride.
It's like the world's longest street track.
Yeah, it really is. All of that is 3 lanes wide. So think of that snaky strip down there as what a motorway would be like in England. It's sort of international race circuit wide.
It cost $80 million to build, and it's purely a driving road because it doesn't lead to anything.
Well, this is it. It goes there, and that's it. That's a dead end, isn't it? So it's pure indulgence. So right now it's not finished. Apparently they're building an extra 10K in addition to that. So which only means we've got to come back next year.
Yeah, okay.
Really? Yeah. Done. Job done. Whew. Good God, that was one hell of a ride. This is it. We are at the summit of Jebel Jais. The funny thing about it right now is, and I guess the best thing about it right now, that it actually doesn't lead to anywhere. Namely because the road is still in progress, it's still being built. So as far as access roads go to, right now its only purpose is just to drive for driving's sake. Of course it's been extra empty for us because the police have very kindly closed it. But in terms of roads, it ticks all the boxes. It's relatively safe because, well, first of all, it's 3 lanes wide and there's big concrete barriers blocking off these incredible cliff faces. The tarmac is amazing and beautifully smooth with loads of grip, and the views are out of this world stunning. Today, I guess, has been such a bucket list moment, having access to a road like this but closed so we can just privately play around on it. It's been a phenomenal experience. So yeah, massive thank you to Ras Al Khaimah for organising this. Anyway guys, 2017 is just getting warmed up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.